lively, colorful permaculture garden. This is my small permaculture garden. As you can see, it is a mix of flowers and colors. The mix of colors not only looks good but help with beneficial insects. As you see, I kept the dandelions. Dandelions are very helpful to the soil. They are great for pollinators like bees. They are also great to eat for medicinal purposes and companion plant. I have also planted rosemary in many places. They are amazing plants and even help in pest control. All the flowers help the beneficial insects protect the garden. These begonias are amazing for bees. Look at the bees at work. Here we have our ponds and aquatic plants. Thank you for watching. To watch more or subscribe,